Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to block a phone number on your iPhone that is either a contact or a specific number that calls you, or just you can write it yourself. How can you do it? To do this, you just go into your phone, then find the contact that you want to block. For example, this one, we click on it. Now here we just go a little lower and we have an item. Block this caller, we click and click. Block contact, all, we block this person. That is nothing complicated. Also, you can choose recent. There, choose any contact, click on it exactly the same way and block it. That is nothing complicated with this method. You can block any contact on our iPhone. But then how to unblock this contact? As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.